Here comes our next question. Which Charter Act brought to an end the East India Company's monopoly in India's foreign trade? So the Charter Act was the Charter Act of 1813. C option is correct here. There are no politics devoid of religion is stated by Gandhiji. British Crown assumed sovereignty over India from the East India Company in the year of 1858. B option is correct here. The first woman president of Indian National Congress was Annie Besant. C option is correct here. Who among the following was responsible for the revival of Hinduism in 19th century? The person was Swami Vivekanand. The first Mysore war fought between the British and Hyder Ali in 1767-69 AD came to an end by the Treaty of Madras. B option is correct here. The British government intervened in the affairs of the company and passed an act in 1773 AD known as Regulating Act. A option is correct here. Which rebellion in Bengal was highlighted by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in his novel Anand Math? So the rebellion was Sannyasi Rebellion. Who founded the Gadar Party in San Francisco in the USA? So it was founded by Lala Hardayal. A option is correct here. Who was the founder of Satya Shodhak Sabha in Maharashtra? The person was Jyotiba Phule. D option is correct here. Cripps Mission came to India in the year of 1942. Who was the Governor General during the Second Anglo-Mysore War? So the Governor General was Warren Hastings. The founder of Arya Samaj was Dayanand Saraswati. C option is correct here. Who among the following introduced the Rohitwari system in Madras? The person was Sir Thomas Munro, who introduced Rohitwari system in Madras. C option is correct here. Under whose leadership was the Chittagong Armory raid organized? So it was organized under the leadership of Surya Sen. Who was the ruler of Delhi when Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated the Marathas in the Third Battle of Panipat in 1761? So the ruler of Delhi was Shah Alam II. The option is correct here. Under whose leadership was Chittagong Armory raid organized? It was organized under the leadership of Surya Sen. C option is correct here. Who was the ruler of Delhi when Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated the Marathas in the Third Battle of Panipat in 1761? So the ruler was Shah Alam II. In 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose was elected as president of the Congress Party, defeating Pattabhi Sitaramaiah. A option is correct here. Jallianwala incident took place at Amritsar. D option is correct here. The Battle of Plassey was fought in the year of 1757. Mahatma Gandhi began his political activities in India first from Champaran. D option is correct here. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the founder of Brahmo Samaj. C option is correct here. Who was the Indian woman president of United Nations General Assembly? So the person was Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, who was the Indian woman president of United Nations General Assembly. C option is correct here. Here comes our next question. In which year was the Indian National Congress formed? So it was formed in the year of 1885. Who initiated the movement to form the Indian National Congress? It was initiated by A.O. Hume. B option is correct here. Gandhiji's famous Quit India movement call to the British was given in the year of 1942. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. This was advocated by Lokmanya Tilak. Who was the Nawab of Bengal during the Battle of Plassey? So the Nawab of Bengal. None of these option is correct here. D option is correct here. Next question. Which of the following is not correct about Mahatma Gandhi? The thing that is not correct about Mahatma Gandhi is Gandhi advocated complete separation of politics from religion. It is not correct according to Mahatma Gandhi. A option is correct here. Next question. The only AICC session Gandhiji presided was held at Belagaum. Who among the following was the first European to be selected as president of Indian National Congress? So the person was George Yule. Which of the following pair is incorrect? The pair that is incorrect is Young India Lala Lajpat Rai. This pair is incorrect. With which conspiracy case Aurobindo Ghosh's name is connected? So the case was Alipur conspiracy case. Who was the founder of Swatantra Party? The founder of Swatantra Party is C. Rajgopalachari. Arranged in chronological order: Cabinet Mission, Cripps Mission, Montagu Chelmsford reforms and Marley Minto reforms. So we will have to arrange these in chronological order. So first there will be Marley Minto reforms, then Montagu Chelmsford reforms, then Cripps Mission and then Cabinet Mission. C option is correct here. Next question. The political guru of Mahatma Gandhi was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who among the following is known as the Napoleon of India? The person who known as the Napoleon of India was Samudragupta. B option is correct here. Here comes our next question. Dadabhai Naoroji has described his theory of drain of wealth in the book. So the book was Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. C option. A option is correct here. Next question. When was the office of district collector created? This office was created in the year of 1772. Who established the Sharda Sadan, a school for Indian widows in colonial India? So it was established by Pandita Ramabai. D option is correct here. Who is the founder of concept Sarvodaya? The founder of the concept Sarvodaya was Mahatma Gandhi. The Battle of Plassey was fought between Sirajuddaulah and Robert Clive. A option is correct here. Who was the first Indian to become member of British Parliament? The first Indian to become member of British Parliament was the Dadabhai Naoroji. C option is correct here. The non-cooperation movement was called off due to, Chori Chora incident. B option is correct here. When was the railway system established in India? So it was established in India in the year of 1853. The C option is correct here. Where did the Black Hole tragedy took place? It took place in Calcutta. Which brigadier was associated with Jallianwala Bagh tragedy? The brigadier was General Dyer, who is popularly known as the Grand Old Man of India. So the person is Dadabhai Naoroji, who was the founder of Indian National Army. The person who is the founder of Indian National Army is Subhash Chandra Bose, who was referred as the ambassador of Hindu Muslim unity by Sarojini Naidu. The person is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was responsible for the integration of princely states into the Indian Union after independence. So the person who is responsible for this is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Panchashila agreement was between India and China. Which of the following event in 1976 was an outcome of Simla agreement between India and Pakistan? So which event was that? You will have to answer this question in the comment section. Next question. During the period of which Governor General Viceroy was the Indian Civil Services introduced? So it was introduced during the Governor General of Lord Cornwallis. The option is correct here. Who established the Shadr Diwali Adalat during the British East India Company's rule? So it was established by Warren Hastings. The quintessence of Gandhian thought is, so it is Satyagraha. A option is correct here. Next question. In which pact warm relations were established between Garam Dal and Naram Dal? The two groups of Indian National Congress were Lucknow after the Lucknow Pact. B option is correct here. In which year was the Morley Minto reforms passed? So it was passed in the year of 1909. The only viceroy to be assassinated in India was, so the viceroy was Lord Mayo, who was the founder of Theosophical Society. The person is Madame Blavatsky. B option is correct here. Next question. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need but not every man's greed. Who said this? It was said by Mahatma Gandhi. The Kakori conspiracy was a train robbery that took place between Kakori and Lucknow in the year of 1925. Who is the first female governor of independent India? The person was Sarojini Naidu, who is generally considered to be the father of Indian Renaissance. So the father of Indian Renaissance was Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The blue water policy was introduced by the Portuguese leader Francisco de Almeida. Which of the following institution was not founded by Mahatma Gandhi? The institution was Vishwa Bharati. Who among the following did Gandhiji regard as his political guru? So the person is Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who presided over the first session of Indian National Congress. So the person was W.C. Banerjee. Which one of the following party was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose? So the party was Forward Bloc. The option is correct here. Which one of the following papers were edited by Gandhiji in South Africa? So the paper was Indian Opinion. General Dyer, who was responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, was shot dead by Udham Singh. C option is correct here. Next question. The first woman president of the Indian National Congress was Annie Besant. Indian National Congress split for the first time in its session at Surat. English education was introduced in India by Macaulay. Which Governor General was called as the father of local self-government in India? So the person was Lord Ripon, who was the chief objective of Wahhabi movement. Chief objective of Wahhabi movement was purify Islam. Which of the following was published by Gandhiji during his stay in South Africa? So it was Indian Opinion, who is referred to as Frontier Gandhi. So the Frontier Gandhi is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Which title given by the British government to Mahatma Gandhi was surrendered during the non-cooperation movement? So the title was Keshari Hind. What was the immediate cause of mutiny of 1857? So the cause was the use of greased cartridges in new Enfield rifle. B option is correct here. Next question. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse to expand British territories India? So it was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. The Sharda Act is related to child marriage. Gandhiji Satyagraha meant an attachment to the following two elements. So it was two elements were truth and non-violence. Who was the founder of Arya Samaj? The person who was the founder of Arya Samaj was Dayanand Saraswati, during whose viceroyalty the capital of India was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi. So the viceroy was Lord Hardinge. The working committee of National Congress sanctioned the resolution named Quit India at Wardha. A option is correct. Who introduced Western education? It was introduced by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. The system of budget was introduced in India during the viceroyalty of Canning. Who was the president of Indian National Congress at the time of Indian independence? So the person was J.B. Kripalani, who gave the title Nightingale of India to Sarojini Naidu. It was given by Mahatma Gandhi. The Swadeshi boycott movement is related to partition of Bengal in 1905. Mutiny of 1857 was described as the first Indian war of independence by V.D. Savarkar. Abhinav Bharat was founded in 1904 as a secret society of revolutionaries. So it was founded by V.D. Savarkar, who propounded the doctrine of passive resistance. So it was propounded by Arvind Ghosh. The first Muslim to be elected president of Indian National Congress was Badruddin Tayyab ji.